I don't know, dude. But hello. Alright, so this should improve performance quite a bit. So whenever we don't request a texture, after 1 second it will just spawn. Because before I had like 20 FPS when I was viewing the full table. Oh shit. Oh. False. True. Alright. Yeah. As we can see in the log. If I load the whole table, yeah, first we get low FPS, but then it gets back. Oh wait, what the fuck? Oh no. Something is wrong. Yeah, sometimes they get layered on top of one another. But why? Oh wait. Wait. No. Oh yeah, no way. That's because I use the length of the map as their position. Could use the hashed key, but it's U64 and coordinates are F32. Well, I could just have an increasing counter, but then I need to do something to account for possible overflow. How much would that even be? What even is this number? It's like 10 to the 38. Oh, yeah, that's quite a lot. Okay, let's do a counter, I guess. Yeah. Can I do like this? Nope. Alright. Now it should be fine. Yep. Looking good. I could probably even make it less than a second. Like 0.1. It's basically if we skip a couple of frames, we can already like despawn it. So like this should be fine. Although if it's a very low FPS, then they just will not be rendered. Alright, actually, nah, it depends. Yeah, perfect. That's very cool. I could even do it so if I hover, then it's like a bigger texture. This should be pretty easy. Yeah, let's try it. Yes, so we get a response here. Hovered if it's hovered, then we say the cursor window. And we basically just do let's put it to the prelude. Actually, just like this. And a response. And let's do like 512. Yeah, that should be it. Although I'm not sure if it can be hovered. Maybe we'll need to add sense to it. What? What the fuck? What? Why? I don't understand. What the fuck? What is this ghost? I have no idea why can this happen. Looks like Z fighting. Okay, what if I draw a frame? Wait, let's add the label. Oh yeah, everything is like this. That must be some kind of thing with ordering. But like, yeah, I do the same here. Unless cash base card. I do frame. Yeah, that's really weird. What if I don't do the texture? Oh, then it works. What? That's so weird. What the fuck? Dude, that's so weird. Now it's glitching out even more. Oh, interesting. So when I decrease the size, it works fine. Oh yeah, no, I actually know why. It's because the texture went out of the size of the window and then it covered the thing I'm hovering, and because of that it was like every frame it was hovered and not hovered. That's why it appeared semi-transparent. Dude, look how cool it is. And the FPS is like 250, like everything is perfect. I could make it even bigger. Oh, the texture still will be 512 by 512. Let's actually try to make it work. Yeah, it's because the width is 350. So I can like pass it. I mean, let's try 350 maybe. I mean, yeah, it looks actually fine. Dude, how cool is this? Wait, do I... What's the size of texture here? No, here. 512. Yeah, that kind of appears like the resolution is not enough. Yeah, that's so cool. I'm so happy I managed to make it work. Because now I can do a lot more with it. What if I do bigger resolution? Where is it? So let's try 1024. The FPS is the same. Kinda looks better. Yeah, the circle is more perfect. Like I don't see any pixels. Let's add the frame, the thing, the stroke. This will make it look cooler. Yeah, maybe we leave it at 1024. I don't see any difference with FPS. Oh, and also let's make it round. Actually, let's make this frame constant. I'm not even sure if that's has any effect. But in my heart, I believe it does. Wait, I can't. I have to do it like this. Can I even use default here? I don't remember. I don't think so. Yeah, I have to specify everything. Okay. Alright, wait. It's what? Oh, it's because into. Alright. Yeah, nice. Wait, the shadow is fucked. Huh. I guess it's because yeah, because it's inside the window. Shit, I could actually pass the frame here. That would make more sense. Okay, let's do this. Cursor, window, frame. Frame. And also width. Then we take all this shit. Width is this. Frame. Yep. And now here. Like this. And now here. Context. Frame. So let's try 512. Actually, just this. And 512. Yo, Majesty, what up? Just joined in. Yeah, let me show you something cool then. Check it out. Boom. Is this cool? Look how cool it is. I can render any unit into a texture and I can show it within a UI. And I also made a cool caching system because basically all these units are spawned somewhere, they're just not rendered with the default camera. And whenever I get them into a view, I cache them by their hash, by hash value of a unit. And then if I don't if I don't request the texture for a while, it gets despawned. Like you see this despawn messages. Basically all the units that are up and get despawned, and I don't even lose my FPS. It's like 250. Kind of drops when I scroll because then it like has 100 units. But yeah, I can even hover and like look how cool it is. Yeah, and the frame now works correctly. There's a shadow and stuff. Very nice. Yeah, I wanted to do this for such a long time. But it turned out easier than I thought. It's just my approach wasn't very right. I'm so happy. Did you not hear me just explaining it? Were you there? Who was I talking to? Oh, I see my screen tearing. Oh, I wonder if it will be fixed if I enable this. Ah, fuck. So then you know what it is. Cool, right? I want to improve the incubator a lot. I want to basically almost completely redo it. I figured out the way it should be done. And this rendering to texture was very essential for it. Okay, does it work? Yeah. Let me try with vsync. Which one was it? The Doomguard, I think. Oh yeah, no tearing. But I still don't like vsync. Man, didn't I put like full screen and stuff? Okay, whatever. Did you make sure hero card is always on the top layer? Let me see. How is it even drawn? Oh, it's just a frame? Wait, but it's within the UI. Why did you see it not being... Oh, maybe it's actually the cursor window. Oh, yeah, I think I've added this recently. Order tooltip. Yeah, this should be always at the top now. Yeah. Open loot box and hover on the hero name. I actually already redone this. I don't know if you've seen, but let me show you. Oh yeah. I think I ran into this. The card not being at the top. Okay, so check it out. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, cool, right? But yeah, the card is not shown here, but yeah, you see it, it's at the top. But this is the new reward screen. Like whenever you open a loot box, you can actually not claim it, and it will just stay here. Oh, it even shows what time ago it was. And if I claim, I get notifications, and boom. Yep. When is your exam? Alright. So the gallery looks pretty nice. Let's actually commit. this is done. Oh, today. Well, man, I wish you luck. I actually wanted to do some stuff with ML for the game at some point, because like the way all the heroes are done, it's basically text, and so I imagine you could just train an LLM on it and then ask it to generate new heroes. I feel like it will be able to generate different visuals and different mechanics if we like train it enough. Maybe somehow it can even like consider the code base, like to, for example, take into account these like expressions or whatever. But I feel like just this would be enough. And so I think it would be funny if there would be like a PvE mode where your enemies are generated by neural net. But I don't think I will ever have time for that. That's like one of the things for the future. Another thing like that is the way game works would be great for adding like some sort of NFTs. Because like all the content is basically generated, and I actually wanna do skins for heroes soon, and they also can be generated because it's basically a bunch of parameters, and so they can be randomized, and they can drop from loot boxes, and eventually they may become NFTs which people can own. And I think if I reach that point, I will become so rich. That's like insane. Because dude, nobody has done an NFT game that is actually fun to play. That's so fucking surprising to me. Like in all this time, all the NFT games fucking suck ass. Imagine. Imagine if there was a game that people actually liked to play, and NFT wasn't there just to like just as a money grab or something. Like it would actually have a purpose, because NFTs would be somewhat player ideas. But yeah, a long way to go before we can make that happen. Oh, I actually found a pretty cool playlist, and it has 500 songs. Dude, imagine getting banned listening to this. Right, what else? What else do we do? Oh, I wonder if the game crashes. Yeah, I need to fix this. I think it shouldn't. Yeah, like, okay, let's try gallery, whatever, boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Because of the cache, all the cameras get despawned. Right. Yeah, dude, for sure. He definitely did. Which one was it? Was it like it was like something with animals? Fuck, it was something like where you? Yeah, I forgot the name. Zoo, Crypto Zoo. Yeah, yeah, dude, for sure, it's fun to play. If I remember, it was like when they like released it, even the main mechanic didn't work. But yeah, it wasn't even really a game. I watched some channel where dude like keeps reviewing all the crypto games there are, like the most popular ones, and dude, that's like they're insanely bad. Like, I have no idea how come no one made a fun to play NFT game. Like, I know making games is hard, but like, is it really that bad? Because there has been a lot of games that like received the huge fundings of like millions of dollars, and they've been in development for like years, and they just suck ass. I think the biggest one, I can't remember the name, but yeah, I think it was been developing from, I think, for like 40 years or 5. And I've seen like a recent video of this guy. He like checks those games out from like when a year or 2 passes. He like checks what's up with them. I just feel like it would be so cool to make a game where you could earn money, but it wouldn't be like strictly your time investment. And you earn money like, yeah, but any pay to earn game is I feel like kind of shit gameplay wise, and it only converts your time into money in a not like very efficient way. But if we make a game where people generate ideas, game mechanics and stuff, or maybe create content, and this content, if it's good, can bring you money. So for example, if you come up with a hero and this hero gets into the game, like it gets selected by players and stuff, and it's kept in the game because it's like interesting and balanced. The more it's kept in the game, the more like money you earn. That's like basically my dream to make that happen, and I feel like it's possible. Okay, so this is fixed. Now, yeah, I want to redo the incubator, and the way I'm gonna do it is I will split everything by components. So even a unit will be split into this description, mechanics, and visuals. And with these textures, anything can be rendered in a table. And yeah, people can basically together create a single hero. It depends on inviting new players. Yeah, like a pyramid scheme. Yeah, basically a pyramid scheme. But the way I want to do it is like not exactly a pyramid scheme, but I want the game to be subscription based. Like it will be free, but once we get enough subscriptions, I want part of the money to form kind of a game fund from which we can pay players. So for example, we will pay whoever is at the top of the leaderboard like every season, and we can also pay people who create content successfully. So basically this fund will be split, and I feel like this will be another motivation for people to support the game because it keeps everyone interested. I don't know, when I was describing this to people like a couple years ago at a conference, everyone really liked it. And this like kind of idea of redistributing the wealth is very interesting. Especially if it's very transparent, and with current like crypto technologies, it's really easy to do. We basically create our own coin and just tie it to the game, and yeah, it feels like all of the technologies that have come up in the past years are perfect for the game I'm making. That's like so weird. Like the NFT, the crypto stuff, the AI, even things like Bevy engine, Spacetime DB, like everything just, I don't know if it's so perfect for my idea. It's almost weird. Alright, so maybe we just do it from scratch. Guess I first need to figure out the server. Yeah. I wonder if Spacetime DB guys answered me, but probably not. Because I still can't figure out why the fucking autocomplete breaks. Like, yeah, nothing shows up here, and I can't like find usages. If I remove this name equals, then it works. I think in some table it worked. I remember when I was migrating, I noticed that. Let's just check every table, just in case. Hey, surely they haven't, yeah. Oh wait, no, it's not a table. It's because it's space-time type. Wait. Yeah, but it doesn't work here. Oh yeah, I think it's only with the name or something. Yeah, it's because it's primary key. Got another scholarship or top student. Yeah, I also wanted to try Hyperland, but then I switched back from Linux. It's not like I love Windows, dude. It's just fucking impossible to use Linux as the main like OS. I really fucking wanted to you will not believe, like especially if I'm like developing the game, being able to test it on Windows is also very huge. But definitely someday. What if I put quotations here? Nope. I wonder if I add an index. Nope. Doesn't even get the colors right. Yeah. Since 2010. Do you like play games at all? I mean, now it's kind of possible, but back then. Maybe I can update. Oh, there is an update. How about Rust Analyzer? Maybe there is something in the config I can find. Ah, interesting. Oh, you can change that. I have no idea what I'm even looking for. Should be something with attributes. Okay, I'm gonna ask the guy to just... Because like the spacetime DB guy who uses VS Code said he doesn't have this issue. And maybe it's either the way my project is set up or my VS Code. All right. Yeah, sounds like typical Linux problem. But yeah, I think like my problem was that I also decided to try NixOS, and there are like some very specific problems with that. The fuck is granularity? Okay, what if I remove this? No way. It actually works. Wait. Okay, I can find usages, which is already pretty great, but that's... Where do I want to check it? Yeah, probably... Yeah, like here. Yeah, now this doesn't work. It's not like they fucking worked before. They kinda worked. Shit, man. So it's something with this proc macro. Maybe I can just disable the name somehow. Because this is what fucks everything. This name equals. Actually, I wonder if... Yeah. And if I leave it, it kind of partially works. So I see the columns, but then ID doesn't work. Why it's not? Why is it not worth it? I don't know. I think I managed it pretty quick, even with my very limited knowledge. I ran it for like half a year, and I basically could do anything I needed. But yeah, it seems like it's also not really quite there. How do can I do like this? Yeah, no. No, I'm not. Fuck. Man, I hate this. And I hate that nobody like gets this issue even. It seems. I don't know, I mean maybe nobody just moved to the latest version. But how am I supposed to work with this? If I either can't find any usages or the autocomplete doesn't work completely. Men. That's a different problem. Okay, whatever, I guess I'll just create an issue. GitHub. Wait, can I? Can I add a label? I guess not. All right. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You're the OG, I guess. Yeah, I actually always been on Windows like my whole life. And I fucking hate it most of this time. But you just can't beat things working, you know? Because if it works somewhere, it works on Windows, probably. Alright. So I guess let's start by making some tables for the new incubator. And then we'll call it a day. It's already pretty late. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to have a separate table for any game entity. Like for units, there should be a table with representation, with the triggers, and yeah, you could actually, I'm not sure if I should split the stats and stuff and the trigger. An hour to compile, holy shit. Yeah, guys, okay. Alright, so there should definitely be a table like this. Okay. Do I use, yeah, singular? And it's just the same. Oops. Yeah, so the hard part is the voting. So like before, votes are just this ID and yeah, the vote. And the favorite is almost the same. But now I want people to be able to vote for links between tables. So for example, there should be a couple of variants for like representation, and if someone created a hero, I should be able to create a new representation and vote for linking the hero with this representation. And this way multiple people can be creating one hero. Alright, Majesty, good luck on your exam tomorrow or today. Get a good night's sleep. You can do this. Okay, so I feel like links should be just all in one table. But then, how do we distinguish? So a link is basically two tables. I guess. Yeah, I did. I mean, there wasn't really an issue. The issue was that I didn't want to, like, I have a bunch of structures for units, and this one I use within the game, and it basically unpacks a bunch of things. And hashing this one would be pretty expensive because it has a bunch of shit like these expressions, for example, and they can be nested, and hashing them would be pretty hard. But for storing in a database, I have like this base unit, and this is pretty cheap to hash, so I can just use this, and also the fused unit structure, which is for combining with a bunch of bases. But yeah, these can be hashed pretty easily, so I just decided to use those. Do I actually make a separate table for each type of link? Or is it bad? Okay, I don't know, I guess I'll finish this tomorrow. I gotta think, and it's already pretty late. So yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for chatting. Oh, I'll be done for today. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. So hopefully see you then. And have a good rest of the day. Bye bye, Nicole.